Hi, I'm Pat. Welcome to my beard. This thing is fantastic. No. Shave it off. Hi, I'm Pat, and welcome to my YouTube channel. On this video, we're gonna shave off my beard. Beard. Get rid of my beard.
The beard off my beard.
Hi, I'm Pat, and welcome to my YouTube channel. For this video, I'm gonna use the Philips One Blade razor and shave off this beard. So I've been growing my beard out for a couple of weeks for this video, so make sure you hit the subscribe button and the little bell icon so you can get notified every time I upload a new video. Alright, so I've got the new Philips One Blade razor, not one but two of those, and I'm going to shave off this beard. So lots of people mentioned to me, wow, your beard is bright red. Yeah, it is. I don't know why.
Yeah, it is. I don't know why.
The rest of my hair is blonde, but it's really itchy, it's irritating, it's not soft. People say, oh, beards are so soft. No.
Walk out the door, you see someone that you know and they ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine, but you just can't get into it because they would never understand.
It's annoying, I hate it, so let's get rid of it because I look like a homeless person. Not cute. Alright, so the Philips One Blade is portable and rechargeable. And so I'm just going to start by trimming the whole thing because I don't think you can take a straight blade over top of hair this long. Anyhow, this gets a really close shave with only little irritation. With only little irritation. So without further ado, let's show off the Philips One Blade and let's shave off this beard. Shave it off.
Shave it off.
If you want to pick up your very own Philips One Blade razor, make sure you check the description box down below. I've got a link for my Amazon shop where you can order your own Philips One Blade razor. Alright, so let's shave it off. This is so irritating and itchy and it is driving me nuts. Ta-da, ta-da, ta-da. Right, I have a whole beard on my desk now. But that was pretty quick. Only took me a couple of minutes to shave a whole beard off using the Philips One Blade razor. This is fantastic. Love this thing. You can see how quick I was going. Minimal irritation and a really close shave. So I usually go back over a little more carefully and make sure I didn't miss anything, but I shaved off my whole beard pretty quickly without having to worry about cutting myself, shaving cream, any of that nonsense. No nicks, no cuts, really close shave. This thing is fantastic.
This thing is fantastic.
If you want to pick up one of your own Philips One Blade razors, check the description down below because I've included a link to my Amazon shop where I've added the Philips One Blade razor and razor refill blades, so you can pick up one of those for yourself. This is by far the best razor that I've used. I have very sensitive skin and I never get razor burn, it never cuts me, it's fantastic. So I highly recommend the Philips One Blade razor. Go pick up one of those for yourself and make sure you hit the subscribe button down below. Hit the bell icon so you can get notified every time I upload a new video. And you can find me on Instagram and Twitter. The links are in the description. Thanks for watching and I'll see you for the next video. Bye!